Does your dishwasher door come crashing to the ground when you open it? Stick around and I'll show you how to fix it. So I'm going to start by removing the screws that are holding these brackets in place to the underside of my countertop here. Might be a little different if you have a solid surface countertop like quartz or marble or something like that. It may have a different mounting mechanism. For something like this, for my countertop, just a couple of screws holding that in place. Might be a good practice to turn off the electric and all that stuff, but I'm not going to be messing with any of that, so I'm not going to worry about it. But if you're concerned about that, you can go find your breaker that your dishwasher runs on and turn that off. At this point, I'm just going to pull out my dishwasher now. Okay, so looking at the door here and how it operates, the two sides have the spring that attaches to the door to provide that resistance so that whenever you open the door, it's going to open softly. It looks like this one is intact. Doesn't appear to be any problems here. I can remove this plate here just to double check, but I've already noticed that it's detached on the other side. Looking at the other side here, the spring is removed. It's just kind of hanging on there. This is how it was whenever I pulled the dishwasher out. And it connects to the string down below, and unfortunately my string here is broken. So this spring attaches to the string attaches to the door, and that's what provides that resistance. So I'm going to see if I can fix this string. If not, I'm going to have to order a new one. I'm going to take off this metal plate here. So it looks like my string just broke in half, I guess from years of wear. So I'm gonna have to order a new one there. I don't think it would make any sense at this point to tie a knot. So I'll be ordering a new part and putting that in. A couple of days after ordering, I received these replacement ropes. So these are actually just called dishwasher door ropes. And I tried to find the exact size based on my dishwasher model, and this is what I came up with. So the white one here is the new one, the gray is the original. On mine, the new one is just about an inch longer than the old one, which hopefully won't be too much of a problem. So the way that these work is they go back into that little slide on the door, and then they wrap around the bottom pulley and under the top pulley. And then you take your spring, attach your spring to the rope. You should always take note of where that spring came off of, and I know that it came off of this spot right here, just above where it stretches from now. But since my rope is a little bit too short, I'm going to go ahead and pull this spring up to this notch above, like that. So now we have resistance on the spring, and we can kind of test and see what the door looks like as it comes open. Yep, I think that's going to work. One other thing to mention is I did buy a 2-pack of those door ropes, and I went ahead and replaced the one on the other side as well. It was a little bit frayed, so there was an option to buy a single pack or one single rope or two, but I went ahead and purchased two. This is the other one that was already on the dishwasher, and it was starting to fray as well, so it has a little bit of wear there. And I just assumed that as soon as I get that one replaced, it would be a matter of no time and the second one would break. But I'll go ahead and hang on to this one as a spare just in case one of these were to break, and I can have this one on hand before I have the opportunity to purchase some more. So we'll get it back in its spot and make sure everything works properly. Looks good.